Hi, it's Marcy. I wanted to show you my newest journal kit. It's called Bright Days, and it has lots of pretty birds and flowers and butterflies and bright colors. So, if I normally do like shabby kind of pastel things or vintage neutral things, but I'm just sick of winter and I wanted something pretty and colorful, so I made this kit. Now, it's one kit that has two different uh, formats. There's the tall, skinny journal and the regular 8.5 by 11 that's folded portrait size. So they're both 8.5 by 11, but this is folded vertically and then like portrait fold, and this is a landscape. So first I'll show you the traditional, shall we say, one that most people are familiar with, this type of a journal. I don't know what I did here. I got this not going strange, so whatever. I'll just pull that out for now. I made like a little yo-yo out of fabric that's in the colors to match. It's a 3-hole pamphlet stitch using crochet thread, just, normal crochet thread for making doilies. And I put this together with, like hidden pockets between the pages, glued 2 pages together, just at the top and bottom, and so you have a place to put things. So it comes with plenty of cards and tags and these little slot pockets that I just cut these out with an X-Acto knife. It's not really that difficult because it has the black lines, but you could also use your cutting machine if you have one. And get you back in here. I don't really remember how I had it. I think this was in the back. I don't remember. How was it? You know what? I'll just leave them there for now. And there's tabs also. Another fun little shapes. Here's another of the slots. I'm not going to pull them all out. And I like to, in my journals, I like to alternate book pages with old book pages with the pages from the kit. These are the add-on, some of the add-on pages. I just printed them double-sided and folded them up and stuck them in the pocket so that I would have a place for journaling. So there's a journal kit with all the ephemera, and then there's an add-on kit with lots and lots and lots of extra pages. Here I just made a ruffle out of old book pages and then glued some of the fussy cuts on to make like a little tuck spot or belly band, whatever you want to call it. This is one of the pockets from the kit. And this I've cut. I used a circle punch to make that little thumb, whatever you call it. Thumb tab, I don't know what they call it. So here's some more. The add-on pages are so pretty. You could use them for card making also, and any other paper crafts. There's just lots of pretty colors. The green, the kind of apricot, blue and lavender. There is no pink in this kit. I think this is my first kit where there's, aside from the neutral kits, this is my, I think it's my only color kit so far that doesn't have any pink. So I usually do a lot of pink and lavender. This has lavender, but not. Oh, this is one of my guest checks. This is not in the kit, but I have a set of guest checks in my shop with all different colors, so that could match just about any kit that you want to use. There's clocks. There's a whole page of clocks. I don't know exactly. I might make this into a pocket here, put it here as a pocket. I haven't decided yet, so I just kind of clip that on there for now. And the kit has the journal pages. There are some lined and without lines, so you can have lots of options. There's another secret pocket and some more. This is just one of the journal pages that I cut and glued down as a pocket. Sometimes I have, like I do misprints. I'm sure that happens to you too. And I reuse them. I use them for stuff. This here, again, I have not decided what to do with it exactly, but I made this out of one of the journal cards. I just made this scrappy thing, but then I just didn't know what to do with it. And here's another one of the clocks. When I haven't decided yet what to do with something, I just clip it. Actually, this should be going in this way because otherwise that clock is going to keep it from closing. And here's the library card from the kit. There's a pocket. And then I put a clock on the front of it and a piece of the digital washi tape from the kit. And it's another piece of paper, and on the back is the kind of apricot with the lines. So that's the 8.5 by 11 folded, landscape. And here is the get rid of this stuff, the tall skinny. Let me just check that this is in frame, because with the tall skinny ones, okay, yeah, you can see all of it. Also, I made some fun little clips for my journals. You could do some this way or this way, kind of like as a bookmark or whatever. I had some, colorful pieces of fabric that I thought looked so cute with these, with the colors, with the birds and the butterflies. Come on. Okay. Now on this one, because it's tall, I had to use more than 3. And so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole pamphlet stitch. And again, I did the hidden pocket between the pages, but then I had to fold these a different way. So I folded them up this way so that they would fit. These again are from the add-on kit. And here's the envelope that comes with the kit. I just put a little butterfly there to hold it in place. One of the journal cards. See, on the back of the envelope, I printed another color, another one of the patterns, and some of the faux stamps from the kit. So this, you just kind of curl it up this way and let it slide down. So that goes in the belly band. These are fussy cuts from the kit. This is like a tuck spot. You could put, tags or whatever in here. Sideways like that. Okay. So again, I like to alternate book pages with pages from the kit. This is just one of these, this kind of odd size book, and I folded it back on itself to make this tuck spot. And I use the fussy cuts to decorate the pages. Some of my journals are meant for writing in, and some of them it's just kind of like an art journal. The process itself is my, rather than journaling, but I do have these, like I said, hidden journaling spots, so I could use it as both, like as a journal just to look at, to be pretty, to be cheerful, and those days that are just kind of either dreary or you just need a minute to look at something beautiful. But then, the journaling spots too. So here's another, this is one of the, this is like a page from an old hymnal. And it got bound in like this way, but then I folded this back on itself to make a pocket, a tuck spot. So this kit has lots of possibilities. Even just for card making or paper crafts of any kind. But the images are so pretty, colorful, cheerful. Here's the center. You could see I left these long because I'll probably put some little either charms or some kind of something on the ends. I haven't finished it yet. This kit has been in my shops for a few weeks now, and I just have not gotten around to doing a video. It's been really a challenge to find the time. Got too many other things going on. So I wanted to show it to you even though it's not quite done yet. Lots and lots of ephemera, journal cards, tags, and little labels and fussy cuts, just all kinds of fun things for you to use in your projects. So those are my 2 journals with the Bright Days kit, and now I will show you, I'll put up a little slide show to show you all of the pieces in the 2 kits. There's the journal kit and the add-on. So have a look and leave comments. Come and join us in the group. Get your freebies for this month. That's in another video that I just posted. And let us know, let us see pictures of what you're making using my digitals. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye-bye.